Installing ceramic floor tiles in a bedroom is one of the most effective ways to create a beautiful, durable, and easy to maintain floor. Whether you are renovating an old bedroom, building a new home, or simply learning professional tile installation techniques, understanding every stage of the process is essential for achieving excellent results. In this complete guide, you will learn the professional methods used by experienced tile installers. Every step is explained in detail, from preparing the floor and organizing your tools to laying each ceramic tile with precision and finishing the installation with clean grout lines. The goal is not only to place tiles on the floor but to create a smooth, level, and long-lasting surface that looks attractive for many years. Before beginning any tile installation project, it is important to understand that preparation is the foundation of success. Many flooring problems occur because installers rush through the preparation stage. Even the highest quality ceramic tiles cannot compensate for a poorly prepared surface. Taking the time to inspect, clean, and level the floor will improve the final appearance and greatly increase the lifespan of the installation. Start by removing dust, dirt, grease, paint residue, and any loose materials from the floor. The surface should be completely clean so the tile adhesive can bond properly. If there are cracks, holes, or damaged areas, repair them before moving forward. Any uneven spots should be leveled because even small imperfections can affect the finished floor. Once the surface has been cleaned and repaired, carefully measure the entire bedroom. Measure the length and width of the room several times to confirm your measurements. Accurate measurements help determine how many ceramic tiles will be required while reducing unnecessary waste. Professional installers always purchase a small percentage of extra tiles to account for cuts, breakage, and future repairs. Planning the tile layout is one of the most important parts of professional tile installation. Rather than starting directly against a wall, experienced installers establish reference lines from the center of the room. This creates a balanced layout where cut tiles around the edges are similar in size, giving the floor a symmetrical and visually pleasing appearance. Take time to dry lay several rows of ceramic tiles without adhesive. This allows you to preview the final pattern and make adjustments before the permanent installation begins. It is much easier to correct layout problems before applying adhesive than after the tiles have been installed. Now prepare all the necessary tools. A professional installer keeps every tool organized before mixing adhesive. Typical tools include a notched trowel, tile spacers, spirit level, rubber mallet, measuring tape, chalk line, tile cutter, mixing bucket, drill with mixing paddle, sponge, cleaning cloth, grout float, safety gloves, and knee pads. Having everything ready helps maintain a smooth workflow throughout the installation. The next step is preparing the tile adhesive. Always follow the manufacturer's recommended mixing ratio. Add clean water into the bucket first, then gradually pour in the adhesive powder while mixing continuously. Use a drill fitted with a mixing paddle to create a smooth, lump-free consistency. The adhesive should not be too thick or too runny. After mixing, allow it to rest for several minutes before mixing again briefly. This resting period activates the chemical components and improves bonding performance. Never spread adhesive across the entire floor at once. Instead, work in manageable sections that can be tiled before the adhesive begins to dry. Using the notched side of the trowel, spread the adhesive evenly while holding the trowel at approximately a 45-degree angle. The notches create consistent ridges that improve adhesion between the ceramic tile and the floor. The first tile is the most important tile in the entire installation. Carefully position it according to your layout lines and press it gently into the adhesive while moving it slightly back and forth. This movement helps collapse the adhesive ridges and creates full contact beneath the tile. Use a spirit level immediately to confirm that the tile is perfectly level before continuing with the remaining installation. After installing the first ceramic tile successfully, the next stage is continuing the installation while maintaining perfect alignment, consistent spacing, and a completely level surface. This part of the process requires patience, attention to detail, and continuous checking. Professional tile installers never rush during this stage because even a small mistake at the beginning can become much more noticeable as the installation progresses across the room. Before placing the second tile, insert tile spacers along the edges of the first tile. These spacers are designed to create equal grout joints between every tile. Consistent spacing is one of the easiest ways to achieve a floor. Without spacers, grout lines may become uneven, making the finished installation look irregular and less attractive. Carefully place the second tile onto the adhesive beside the first one. Lower it gently instead of dropping it directly onto the adhesive. Once the tile is in position, press it firmly while sliding it slightly from side to side. This movement helps distribute the adhesive evenly beneath the tile and improves the bond between the ceramic tile and the floor. After placing each tile, immediately check its position using a spirit level. Place the level across both tiles to ensure they are perfectly even. There should be no height difference between neighboring tiles. If one tile sits slightly higher than the other, gently tap it with a rubber mallet until both surfaces are perfectly aligned. This prevents tile lippage, one of the most common problems in ceramic floor installations. As you continue laying tiles, repeat the same process for every new piece. Apply adhesive, comb it with the notched trowel, position the tile carefully. Insert spacers, press the tile into place, and verify alignment using the level. Maintaining this routine throughout the installation ensures consistent quality from the first tile to the last. Professional installers frequently step back and inspect the overall layout from different angles. Looking across the floor allows you to identify any lines that begin to drift or any tiles that appear slightly out of position. Correcting these issues immediately is much easier than trying to fix them after the adhesive has hardened. While installing the ceramic floor, avoid walking directly on freshly installed tiles. The adhesive beneath them remains soft for several hours, and stepping on the surface may shift the tiles out of alignment. If you must reach another section of the room, use a kneeling board or work from the unfinished area whenever possible. Another important habit followed by experienced installers is cleaning excess adhesive immediately. Adhesive that squeezes up into the grout joints should be removed before it hardens. Use a small trowel, utility knife, or damp sponge to clean the joints while the adhesive is still fresh. Keeping the joints clean makes the grouting process much easier later and improves the final appearance of the floor. As you approach the walls, you will usually find that full-size tiles no longer fit the remaining space. This is completely normal and occurs in almost every tiling project. Instead of forcing a full tile into place, carefully measure the remaining distance. Always measure each space individually because room dimensions can vary slightly from one side to another. Transfer the measurements accurately onto the ceramic tile using a pencil or marker. Double-check every measurement before making any cuts. Professional installers follow the principle of measure twice, cut once, because accurate measurements reduce waste and produce cleaner results. For straight cuts, use a manual tile cutter or a wet tile saw. Score the tile firmly along the cutting line before snapping it cleanly. If you are using a wet saw, allow the blade to cut slowly without forcing the tile through the machine. Slow, steady cuts produce smoother edges and reduce the risk of chipping. When working around door frames, corners, or other obstacles, more detailed cuts may be required. Mark these shapes carefully and remove small sections gradually until the tile fits perfectly. Taking your time during this stage creates a much cleaner and more professional installation. Before installing each cut tile, place it into position without adhesive to verify the fit. This dry test allows you to make small adjustments if necessary. Once you are satisfied with the fit, apply adhesive and install the tile using the same careful procedure as the full size tiles. Continue repeating this process throughout the bedroom until every section of the floor is covered. Keep checking the alignment, spacing, and level after every few rows. Maintaining consistent quality throughout the installation is what separates professional workmanship from average results. As the room begins to fill with ceramic tiles, the transformation becomes more noticeable. Straight grout lines, clean cuts, and perfectly aligned tiles create a balanced appearance that enhances the entire bedroom. A properly installed ceramic floor not only looks attractive but also provides excellent durability, easy maintenance, and long-term performance. At this stage, patience remains your greatest tool. Professional installers understand that high-quality workmanship comes from consistency rather than speed. Every tile deserves the same level of attention, whether it is the first tile placed or the final piece installed near the doorway. Once all the tiles have been installed, allow the adhesive to cure according to the manufacturer's recommended drying time. Avoid disturbing the floor during this period, as movement can affect the bond before it reaches full strength. Proper curing is essential for creating a solid, durable ceramic tile floor that will serve the room for many years.